Meaning of forget.
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 Forget. Forget is a verb that means to no longer remember or be aware of something. When someone forgets something, the information or knowledge that was once stored in their memory becomes lost or inaccessible. Forgetting can occur due to various reasons such as age, trauma, stress, or simply lack of attention during the encoding process. The result of forgetting can range from minor inconvenience, such as forgetting a name or appointment, to more severe consequences, such as failing an exam or losing important information. Overall, forgetting is a natural and common occurrence in human cognition.